Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 9 grader mid-level 1 personal expenses. Basically this is the ninth chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So first of all, we are supposed to download the materials to solve this assignment. So I will download the material. So now let me open the instruction file first. So this is the instruction file, and the title of the assignment is Exp25 Excel chapter 9 mid-level 1 expenses. That is the title for this assignment. At start of the instruction you can see the project description. So this is the project description. There is nothing to do in project description, but I suggest you to read this project description. Once you will go through this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment. You will understand the assignment well after going through this project description. So I suggest you to read this project description so that you can understand the assignment well. Then you can see the steps to perform to complete this project or questions to solve. So total steps to perform to complete this project are 20. So we are supposed to solve 20 questions to get this assignment ready for the submission. So I will solve step by step and you are supposed to watch this complete video. You are supposed to follow me if you want to get this assignment done for you. So now let's start doing the question. So step number 1 or question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 9 mid-level 1 expenses. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded the Excel workbook, so you can download this from your Pearson dashboard. So this is the Excel workbook that we're going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So we are supposed to download this Excel workbook first so that we can solve the assignment in this Excel workbook. So then step number 1 is just about downloading and opening the Excel workbook. There is nothing else to do in step number 1. So we're going to move to step number 2 of the instruction. Before you focus on the second quarter expenses, you want to hide the first quarter worksheet. Hide the January, February and March worksheet. So we will select January up to March, these 3 worksheets, and we will hide them. Okay. So right click on it and hide, right click on it and hide, and right click on it and hide. So January, February and March worksheet are hidden now. So that is all required in step number 2, where we were supposed to hide 3 worksheets, January, February and March. So now let's move to step number 3. You want to enter a title and apply a cell style to 3 worksheets at same time. Group the April, May and June worksheet. So first we are supposed to group April, May and June worksheet. So click on April, then press and hold shift button and click on June worksheet. So now you can see that these three worksheets are highlighted in white color. That means that these three worksheets are grouped now. Okay. So after grouping, it is saying enter saving, comma, income, comma, and expenses in cell A1. So I will simply copy this and go to cell A1 and paste this. So we were supposed to enter this text in cell A1. Okay. Now select the range A1 up to C1 and apply heading 1 cell style. So we will select A1 up to C1, then go to the home tab, then in cell style select heading 1. This is the heading style that we are supposed to apply to this heading 1 cell style. So that is all about step number 3. Now let's do step number 4 with the worksheet still grouped. So now you can see that worksheets are still grouped. You want to calculate the ending saving balance. In cell C6, add the beginning saving balance to the monthly saving added. So in C6, we are supposed to calculate the ending saving balance. That will be calculated. Add the beginning saving balance to the monthly saving balance. So for this we will add beginning saving balance to the monthly saving balance. That means we will add C4 plus C5. C4 is the beginning saving balance and C5 is the monthly saving balance. So when we will add these two saving balance, we will get the ending balance. Okay, we got the ending balance. That is 400. So we have solved 4 steps now. Now let's do step number 5. The worksheet should have 3D reference to other worksheet. Ungroup the worksheet. So first we are supposed to ungroup the worksheet, to right click on it and select ungroup worksheet. So now worksheet are ungrouped. Okay. So now it is saying display the May worksheet. So we will go to the May worksheet. In cell C4, create a formula with a 3D reference to cell C6 in the April worksheet. So we will go to cell C4 and we are supposed to create a formula with 3D reference to cell C6, the ending saving balance in the April worksheet. Equal sign, go to April worksheet and select C6. So this is the 3D reference formula. So we got the beginning saving balance for the May worksheet. That was the ending saving balance in the April worksheet. Okay. Notice saying display the June worksheet. In cell C4, create a formula with a 3D reference to cell C6 in the May worksheet. So we will go to June worksheet. Then we will go to the cell C4. Note the beginning saving balance of the June worksheet will be the ending saving balance of the May worksheet. So ending saving balance of the May worksheet is the C6, press enter. So we got the beginning saving balance for the June worksheet. That was the ending saving balance for the May worksheet. So now last one is display the quarter 2 worksheet. In cell C4, create a formula with a 3D reference to cell C6 in the June worksheet. Quarter, go to cell C4. Now this ending saving balance will be the June ending saving balance, that is the C6. Okay, 500. So that is all about step number 5, where we were supposed to use the 3D references. Okay, now let's do step number 6 for this assignment. You are ready to build functions with 3D references to some data from all 3 months on the quarter 2 worksheet. With the quarter 2 worksheet active, select cell C9 and insert the sum function with 3D reference to total the salary amount for all 3 months. So first of all, we are supposed to go to quarter 2 worksheet, then we will go to cell C9. So this is cell C9. So salary will be the sum of April, May and June worksheets. So for this purpose, we will use sum function with 3D reference. So type equal sign and type sum. So sum function will appear. After entering sum function, just go to April worksheet. Okay? Then press and hold the shift button and select June worksheet. Okay? Now select cell salary amount for us, so we will select cell C9. Okay? Because salary amount for all these 3 worksheets is given in cell C9 and press enter. So this will be the salary amount, that will be the total of the April, May and June worksheet. So we got the salary amount for the quarter 2. Okay? And now it is saying copy the function in cell C9 to cell C21 and cell C23. So we will go to cell C9 at quarter 2 worksheet, copy this, then we are supposed to use this to cell C21 and cell C23. C21 is here, go to paste and select formulas. Okay? Again we will go to cell C23 and select formulas. Okay? So that is all about step number 6. So we are done with step number 6 of this assignment as well. Now let's do step number 7. You want to insert a sum function with a 3D reference on quarter 2 worksheet. Select cell B12 and insert the sum function with the 3D reference to total the rent amount for all 3 months. Copy the function in cell B12 to the range B13 up to B20. So first of all, we will go to cell B12 here on the quarter 2 worksheet. Now we are going to total the rent amount for all 3 months, April, May and June. So for this purpose again we will type sum function. Now we are supposed to use 3D reference, so we will click on April worksheet. Now press and hold shift button, then select this rent amount, that is B12, and press enter. So this will be the rent amount for all 3 months. No, 1 second, this is wrong. Sum, go to April worksheet, press and hold and click June worksheet, and after clicking June worksheet select this rent amount. So this is the rent amount for all 3 months, April up to June, that means April, May and June. So we got this amount. Now we are supposed to copy this formula down to cell B20. Okay, so we got these amounts. Okay, so that is all about step number 7 of this assignment. So we are done with step number 7. Now let's do step number 8. To ensure consistency among worksheet, you will group worksheet and apply formatting. So now it is saying display the April worksheet, group April, May, June and quarter 2 worksheet. So now we will go to April. After going to the April, press and hold the shift button, then click on quarter 2. So now these four worksheet will be grouped, April, May, June and quarter 2. Now it is saying select the range A8 up to C23. A8 up to C23. Okay, we have selected this A8 up to C23. Okay, fill the formats only across the grouped worksheet to copy font formatting, indents and number formatting. So now we are supposed to apply this same formatting that is given or that is applied in April worksheet to other three worksheet, May, June and quarter 2. So for this purpose we selected A8 up to C23, then go to home tab and go to this fill button, then click across worksheet. Now we are supposed to copy the formats only, so we will select this option that is saying formats and click OK. Now we are supposed to ungroup the worksheet and we will see that same formatting will be applied to these other worksheet as well. Okay, so you can see that same formatting is there as well. Okay, so that is all about step number 8. So we are done with step number 8 of this assignment as well. Now we gonna do next step, that is step number 9. You want to unlock a range so that it can be edited in April, May and June worksheet only. Group the April, May and June worksheet, unlock cell C9 and the range B12 up to B20 in the range group worksheet. Then ungroup the worksheet. So first we will group April, May and June worksheet. Go to April worksheet. Then press and hold the shift button, then select June. So these three worksheets are now grouped. Now unlock cell C9. So first we will go to cell C9. So this is cell C9. After going to cell C9, right click on it and click format cell. Okay. Now go to protection. Now you can see that locked option is checked. So we will uncheck this box because we are supposed to unlock this. Then click OK. Now we will select this range that is B12 up to B20. B12 up to B20. Again right click on it and select format cell. Then go to protection and again uncheck this box that is for the lock and click OK. Then ungroup the worksheet. So now we will ungroup the worksheet. So in this video I have solved 9 steps for you out of 20 steps. That means I have solved 60 to 70% of the assignment for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. So now let me show you the final version for this assignment. When you will solve the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. So this is the final version for this assignment. When you will apply remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. So this will be the final version for this assignment. After solving the remaining steps, you will get a final version like this. Okay. So that is the final version for this assignment. April and this is the rand worksheet. So I have done this for one of my students and got 100 out of 100. I am already doing courses for many students. If you want me to do course for you, I can do complete course for you. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. Thank you so much again.